I'm chilling right now because I'm getting on a plane again. I know that sounds fancy. I don't mean it to be fancy. This is probably the last of the big airplane trips, and then life is going to settle down. But I'm going to LA, and this is a big one. I think it was earlier this year or last year, somehow we applied for a panel, a couple friends of mine, a panel discussion for this conference. It's called CatalystCon, and it is a place where people are inspiring amazing conversations about sexuality. And we decided to put one in that's called Decentering Arousal and Sex. Like, imagine a world where we didn't put sex at the center of everything, advertising at the center of relationships, if we just decided to not center that. And it's the platonic touch takeover. Like, what if we, like, when we thought of touch, we thought of nurture and care and love, right? Like warm, relaxing love, and not like arousing and like, yeah, let's get it done. So, so this is our conversation. We're panel discussion with Faye Wyatt, who is of Cuddle Sanctuary, and Jupiter Slut, who is a sex worker and a sex performer. So she's on that other side of things, and we're talking about platonic touch from both sides, from all of it, and all of us who work with clients. Super excited. Anyway, so that's happening on Saturday morning. If you're at CatalystCon, or if you get a chance to come in for the day to LA, it's at the Los Angeles Airport Marriott. I'll be there all weekend. And so that's happening. So yeah, I'm in LA. Yay! I get to go back again, which is really cool. If you are in the area and you'd like to meet me, please let me know. If you want to pick me up and we can have a session, I'm down for that. Peace. Meet me. That'd be fun to meet you. Message me, call, text me. I think I have my number everywhere. So just let me know, hey, where are you? Invite me for dinner. I take lunch. I'm not sure about breakfast, but I'm very willing to be taken care of. So I'll be in LA. I'm trying to think, and then I'm leaving on Sunday, pretty much right after the conference. So I leave today, San Antonio, 5 something today, and I'll be there for the rest of the weekend. I'll be specifically in Santa Monica, so that's near you. All right. Love you all. Take care.